Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I came out into the garage, started to clean up and ended up working on a Gemini. Didn't plan on doing it, but I'll show you guys what I've been welding, and then I'll continue filming the rest of what I'm going to do. There you guys, so if you remember, I had the massive hole here, just all welded up now. This part's a bit how you going, but I'll clean all that up. But it's all welded in. I still got to weld this little section, so I've got to cut that out on the other Gemini, and I'll weld that in. And I think that's pretty much it for this side. And for those that are wondering what welder I'm using, it's this Boss Weld. Sorry, it's a gasless welder. These are the settings I've got it set as. So we've got the voltage at C, or just at the start of C, and the wire feed at the end of 2. Actually, I think it's 3. It's set at. So guys, if you're like myself and starting welding at home and it's your first go, don't be shy. Like I was, it was daunting to try something new, but the more you do it, the better you get at it. So just give it a crack, you'll be surprised. Anyway guys, we'll get back to it. There you guys, so I've cut this bit out of the other car. That's what I'm going to use to replace this circle hole. So I'll scribe it out from inside here and then cut it out, and then we'll weld it in. Yeah guys, so I've got it cut out and I've marked it so I know where it goes, and I've put T for top obviously. So when I put it in here, it sits perfectly. The gap's really small, so it'll be easy to weld in. So we'll weld it in now. And because I don't have any magnets to hold it in, I'm using one of my son's toys that's got magnets in it. So that'll do until I tack it in. So guys, it's all done. You can see in here, it's all welded up, and the little circle that was there, it's all welded up. And here, looking good. So it's all ready for the sound deadening now. There's a few other bits and pieces I still got to do actually. Like in here, I got to put a bit of filler there, tidy it up. that there needs fixing, a bit of filler. So she's coming along slowly. So once all the filler work's done, I can rub it back, get it all in primer, do all underneath, get that in primer, and then I'll start looking at doing the fill lines and all that under it before anything gets painted. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this short video. I didn't plan on making this one, but I started working on a Gemini, so I thought I might as well make one, and it's been 2 weeks since I've made one, so why not? Stay tuned, there'll be more work coming up on the Gemini. The suspension will be getting done, hopefully. Yeah, so stay tuned guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.